Are you looking for a simple way to make money online while staying at home? In this video I'll show you how you can instantly earn up to $5 in less than half a minute. With an easy-to-use platform that helps you generate steady passive income without any hard work. Plus, you can use the money for anything from shopping to upgrading your lifestyle. Earn money now and take control of your financial life. With a few taps, you can start earning and achieve financial freedom today. Stop waiting and start earning now. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Do you want to earn extra cash in your free time? Metro Opinion is perfect for those looking to make a few extra bucks with minimal effort. Work whenever and wherever you want. This is a revolutionary way to earn money online and get paid fast. With easy-to-use platform, you can start earning right away. Whether you need cash for groceries, bills, or other expenses, Metro Opinion can help. Make up to $5 in just 26 seconds, with no commitment and no extra effort. Get your hands on the extra money you need today. Earning money online is quite easy with surveys from Metro Opinion. They have optimized their software to find the most relevant surveys. More relevant surveys mean more money for you. When they find a perfect survey for you, they will send you an invitation via email. So, it is important that you sign up with your primary email address. Registering with the email address you use regularly is the best way to earn money. If you do not participate when invited, the invitation will go to another member of Metro Opinion. It is easy to participate in surveys from your mobile phone or a computer. You can access surveys anywhere, so it's the perfect job to do from home. It doesn't take much time and you can do it whenever you want. Everyone can participate and earn money working from home. You can even answer surveys while you're doing something else. Participation is very flexible. You will get paid for every survey you participate in. It is a solid side income. At Metro Opinion, they make it very easy to work from home by doing surveys. They have some of the best surveys on the market. You can see what you will earn in every survey invitation. Payment is easy with Metro Opinion. You can choose between multiple payment options. PayPal is easy if you prefer cash payment. When you reach the payment threshold, you can withdraw your money with one click. Make sure that your email address on Metro Opinion is the same one you use for PayPal. Also, vouchers are popular and many users prefer them. You can spend them online or in a store. They are easy to use and fast to receive. Vouchers are available in most countries Metro Opinion serves. Sign up with Metro Opinion and start making money online now. Don't wait any longer, start earning in just 26 seconds and enjoy the extra cash today. In the end, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it," and share it. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos like this.